Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is April the 17th, 2018, and this is our daily cryptocurrency market news analysis, to where we are giving you all the news according to the charts. But before we do, I want to show you all another benefit of becoming a member on our Patreon group. I know you all are just missing out on all of these profits that we are giving to our Patreons and our Facebook group. You definitely need to come and join us, because it is one of the most beneficial aspects of our analysis that we're giving to our Patreons, to our members, is the ability to capitalize on our analysis that we do on a daily basis. Okay, so if you guys are not a Patreon on our page on Patreon, then you need to come and join up, sign up, be a member at HueFin News, and then you all also have access to the same analysis that so many other people are benefiting from. So what I'm going to show you today is our analysis that we did on April 16th. You guys can see here, this is the YouTube page. We uploaded on April 16, 2018, and this is our analysis that we did for Litecoin. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you all another chart to where Litecoin broke out today. So now just pay attention and take a look. So now let's take a look at Litecoin. Litecoin is up 0.71%. Last trade was 15,971 Satoshis. We're trying to come back into our channel that we've drawn over the last couple of weeks. Definitely Litecoin is trying to come back inside. Now, will it be able to? We have to move it to a smaller time frame to see. So looking at a smaller time frame, through this whole process of this 3-hour bars, Litecoin has simply just been consolidating, hovering around this resistance area, and now it is trying to break through. Got 2 more hours before this current bar completes. If it closes above this previous, or this resistance line, then we're looking for Litecoin to come back into the market. Come back into our channel. 16,200 would be the first probable area that it will come in touch. I'll say about 16,150. Taking a look at the 1-hour bar, you all can see how everyone knows that we are trading around the area of resistance who are traders. That's why this current 1-hour bar is closing lower than the previous close. The volume is a lot lighter though, so definitely we have a lot more interest in higher prices in Litecoin at this point. In the next 22 minutes, if we close above our resistance line, then we're still looking for Litecoin to continue to move higher. That 16,050 is resistance in the background though. But nevertheless, I still feel as if Litecoin is going to move higher. There you all go. We told you all that we were expecting Litecoin to move higher in price. And as I move it up to what occurred today in the market, you all will see the result. So this is the result that occurred today in the market. We did our analysis on the 16th. Today is the 17th. You all could have capitalized on this much profit in one day. Market currently is up for Litecoin 6.2%. It went as high as almost 10%. So that is a wonderful profit in one particular day of trading. If you guys are not a part of our members, you missed out on a great opportunity. So if you guys are still interested, come and join us on our Patreon page at HueFin News. And just for 10 cents a day, $3 a month, you guys could have access to this type of trade. So that's all we have for this particular trade. Let's go ahead and get into our other analysis for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Taking a quick look at Bitcoin, you all can see that we're still moving in a downward trajectory for Bitcoin. $8,000 was a very key area for Bitcoin. You now can see that weakness is still coming in the market. Expecting Bitcoin to continue to move to the downside, especially if this bar on the daily price chart closed towards the low of the bar. Okay, $7,500 to possibly even $7,600 will be the support area as Bitcoin continues to move to the downside. One of the key things that we noticed that the market is weak for Bitcoin is the fact that we don't have a lot of interest in higher prices. You all can see over the last couple of 3 hours, we don't have a lot of interest in higher prices. Market is giving us precursors of weakness, and as well, this last completed 3-hour bar is a definite probable precursors of weakness bar, and especially in the next hour and 47 minutes, if this current bar closed towards the low, then Bitcoin is still anticipated to move to the downside. Now the market already came and touched support at 7,800 Satoshis. $7,800. If it breaks $7,800 again the second time, we're coming right back down to around 7,600. Okay, so definitely overall we're looking at weakness in Bitcoin. Our analysis is for them to continue to move to the downside. If it can break 7,950, then the market definitely runs probability to come and bump its head against $8,000. But definitely we're not seeing a lot of interest in higher prices, especially in the next 47 minutes as well. The bar closed towards the low. We're going to move back down to the downside for Bitcoin. Okay, so now the last one that we're going to do today is with Ethereum. So now we're looking at Ethereum against the USD. Resistance definitely came in around $537, $540. Definite weaknesses in the market again today. Non-interest in higher prices is being reflected. 3-hour bars looks just like with Bitcoin. There's no interest in higher prices. Resistance came in at 520 over the last couple of 3-hour bars, and you all can see that we're continuing to move to the downside. Now with Ethereum, the market can hold support around $500, then we're not expecting huge movement to the downside. Okay, expect that consolidation to occur there and bounce back up to 520. But given the fact that this very widespread down bar is here, we're still looking for the market to continue to move to the downside for Ethereum. Next area of support is $490. If it breaks that, then it could move anywhere lower than that. Okay, so our analysis for Bitcoin and Ethereum is for them to continue to move lower. We told you where those areas of support is for them to continue to consolidate to move higher. If it cannot maintain that support, then that's going to be a result movement to the downside. So that's all we have for today. Appreciate everyone who continues to watch our videos. Hope you guys maintain your profitability. If you're still interested in joining us on Patreon, follow us at HueFin News. You can sign up there. So that's all I have. Everyone, make sure you maintain your profitability.